Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to hide members in a WhatsApp group. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to hide members in a WhatsApp group, then the only way is you need to add your WhatsApp group to a community. After adding to community, you can hide members in a WhatsApp group. So I will show you how to do this. First of all, you need to open your WhatsApp and you need to create a group. I had already created this group, so just tap the name of this group, then scroll down. Here you can see add group to community. Tap on this, then tap on new community, then tap on get started. Here you need to name your group community. For example, I will write as new Andwin Tech. Then tap on next, then tap on OK. As you can see, which is shown as announcement, this is my community. In this, only group admin can see the other group members. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.